Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Audi Q3 2016. I'm just gonna show you where you could find the color code. And basically, if you look at your Audi service schedule here and you open the front page, you're gonna find this sticker. And this sticker shows you the paint number, and also it shows you obviously other things, but paint number is LY9B. Now, if you lost this for whatever reason, you can go to the boot or the luggage compartment area, open your luggage compartment area, lift this cover, and if you have one of these, you'll have to take out the clamp and then lift it up, and underneath there should be this sticker again, LY9B. And well, that's pretty much it. So hope the video helps, and hope you find a sticker if you're looking for it. So don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next video, and thank you for watching.